Hello and welcome to Skye Art Studio. Today we're going to create a beautiful, easy painting of cute Lord Krishna. Before we start, did you know that Krishna is one of the most loved deities in Indian mythology? Known as the god of love, compassion, and mischief, Krishna's stories from his childhood are full of wisdom and fun. We'll paint him today in his adorable baby Krishna form, the one who stole hearts and butter alike. First, let's draw a U shape for his face. This will be the base for our Krishna's peaceful, joyful expression. Now, carefully sketch the outline of the hairline on both sides, following the curve of the face. Move to the sides and add his cute little ears. Don't forget to draw the earrings hanging softly from them. Next, we'll complete the hairline on the top side. If you're excited, type "Ready for Krishna Art" in the comments and let's begin. All right, right in the center of the head, draw a small, cute crown. Make sure it sits neatly within the hair, like a little jewel. On top of the crown, add a peacock feather, a must-have in every Krishna painting. Let's balance it by adding another feather to the other side of the head. Whether you're a beginner, an art lover, or just looking for a calm, creative moment, this tutorial is perfect for you. Now, time for the most expressive part. Let's draw two big, cute eyes. They should be soft, kind, and sparkling with mischief. Below the eyes, sketch a gentle, baby smile for Krishna. It's this smile that makes Krishna painting so heartwarming. Right at the center of his eyebrows. This is a small but important mark of divinity. Now, to make the artwork pop, double or bold the lines around the face and features. It adds depth and character to our painting. If you're painting along, let me know how it's going in the comments. I'd love to see your progress. And if you haven't already, do like this video and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful art tutorials. Time to bring Krishna to life with colors. So gather your colors, brushes, and paper, and let's dive into this divine painting session together. For the hair, use dark black or deep brown, and add some highlights if you like. Use a light blue or sky blue shade for the face and neck. You can refer to the image shared on the left, or feel free to be creative with your color choices. As you color, here's a quick fun fact. Did you know Krishna was called the butter thief? As a child, he loved sneaking into kitchens and stealing freshly made butter. It's one of the most loved stories from his playful childhood. The crown can be bright yellow with a hint of orange or red details. If you'd love to color more divine and adorable God characters, check out our God Characters coloring book. The link is in the description below. It's full of beautiful pages waiting for your colors. just like that, our adorable Lord Krishna painting is complete. Take a moment to admire your work. Doesn't he look peaceful and full of joy? If you enjoyed creating this with me, do like this video, subscribe to Skye Art Studio, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new art sessions. Also, thank you so much for joining today's creative session. Drop a comment letting me know what you'd love to paint next, and I'll see you soon with another relaxing art video.